Notability is a note-taking app that's offered on the iOS that I think is really useful for the classroom. It has many different features that are really helpful for all subject areas. For example, this particular app has a very easy writing ability. This app tracks a stylus better than any of the others that I have tried. It's also really helpful if I give you a little demonstration of how that works. For example, I can write very easily, either in cursive or printing. There's also a zooming in feature that works really nice for writing. In addition to writing handwritten notes, Notability also gives you the option to highlight, which is very useful for annotating different sections of text. Please note here I've highlighted the vocabulary word nanoparticles, and to let my students know what that means, I underline that particular definition. We can also use other functions where you can add objects into the notes. For example, I've grabbed a sticky here, and I can move that sticky to any location that I want and change its size to fit the space I'm talking about. And I can add a little note, either by typing with the text feature or by handwriting. I prefer to do handwriting in class because it really helps students stay on track with their notes at the same pace that you are writing. You can also import pictures through the add a picture function or by uploading a PDF that you already have. And what's cool about Notability is you have these pictures in this really brilliant color, and you can add to those drawings or diagrams. Here I'm just outlining a couple of different vessels and veins, but it's a really nice feature for looking at diagrams in all cases. Notability also has this nice cut and paste option with the scissors, and you can resize text and rotate it. I find that this is especially helpful when I'm teaching reaction mechanisms. I can draw out chemicals in their Lewis dot format and actually show what happens when molecules move and interact with each other, and show where those molecules will be interacting. For example, this water molecule attacks a certain spot on this carbonyl compound. Students get a little frustrated sometimes that their paper can't do that, but overall they really do appreciate the visuals that Notability provides. I think that this is a valuable lecture tool as well because it's easily exported. For example, you can email this, or you can back it up to your Dropbox or Google Drive and share it as you would share any other kind of notes, except you don't have to make copies. You can just email it when kids are absent. Either way, this is a very useful function, and I highly recommend it.